Hi, this is Jennifer Lee. I'm with Castle Dreams Travel, and I am in Waikiki today at one of the premier hotels in Waikiki, the Royal Hawaiian. This is one of the original hotels in Hawaii, and they refer to it as the Pink Palace. Let me show you my partial ocean view room, 264. Here's my bracelet key, and inside we go. So I am in a double partial ocean view room. It's gorgeous, so big. We have a sitting area too. So let me start off by showing you, when you first walk in, you see closets. There is a double closet that's actually meets on the inside. They give you robes, plenty of hangers, ironing board, dry cleaning and laundry bag, luggage, pedestals. Now this room looks like it adjoins with a suite next door to us. That would be the door I'm showing you right now. So we have two full-size beds, clock radio, lamps, and this gorgeous sitting room I'll get to in a second. Have some space in here underneath the TV, which has your mini fridge, coffee maker, safe, iron, the works. Breakfast is not included in this hotel. However, there are a lot of places you can get a bite to eat here. Large screen TV, another dresser, control the temperature in the room. Here is the bathroom, full shower with amenities. You have, looks like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lots of little goodies. Full-size mirror, even a scale, which on vacation I don't know if you would like. Plenty of towels, shaving mirror. Look at that, even a dental kit. Now this is a Marriott property. It's adjacent to the Sheraton Waikiki, and you have privileges to go to their pool and this pool. Look at this sitting room. So not only do we have the size of the hotel room, but we have this nice sitting room which closes. It's a door that closes. Now, like I said, it is a partial ocean view. Get some complimentary waters, ice bucket. Let's see what we can, just a view of the foliage outside. I can't reach it over to here to see if I can show you. Pretty. There's a little courtyard out there, a little park. Now we're right on the beach in Waikiki in a perfect spot. Here's my partial ocean view. I know we're looking at something else, but you know, depending upon what your budget is in Hawaii, you could have a full ocean view. They have several towers here in the Royal Hawaiian. They have the historic tower, which was the original part of the hotel. They added on. We are in slightly newer part, not totally new, but still the same. Tons of room in this room. Absolutely huge. Like I said, it's considered a luxury property for Marriott. There are many Marriott properties throughout Waikiki and the island itself. So that's my tour of our partial ocean view room in the Royal Hawaiian and right on the beach in Waikiki. Again, let me show you this gorgeous door again. Amazing carving on the door. That's it. Aloha. Until next time.